Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is blow. It's a B2 level noun that means a sudden hit or setback. So when we talk about a blow, we're talking about something that impacts you suddenly and often negatively. Think of a boxer receiving a blow to the head, or a company suffering a financial blow. It's all about that sharp, impactful event. In everyday language, blow is used quite often. You might hear someone say losing the game was a real blow to the team's morale, or the unexpected expense was a blow to our budget. It really captures that feeling of being hit hard by something. Now, let's explore some synonyms for blow. One synonym is shock. For example, instead of saying the news came as a blow, you could say the news came as a shock. The suddenness and impact are very similar. Here's another example using shock. The price increase was a shock to consumers. Another synonym is setback. This emphasizes the obstacle or delay caused by the blow. You might say, the project suffered a setback due to the storm. This is very similar to saying the project suffered a blow due to the storm. Consider this example: the company is facing a setback because of the new regulations. Another great synonym for blow is reversal. This highlights the change in fortune or progress caused by the event. For instance, the election results were a major reversal for the party. To illustrate, think of this sentence: his injury was a severe reversal in his training. A further synonym we can explore is disaster. This is used when the blow is particularly severe. For example, the flood was a complete disaster for the town. In a similar vein, consider this: the economic crisis was a disaster for many families. Now, let's look at some antonyms of blow. An antonym is a word with the opposite meaning. One antonym for blow is benefit. While a blow is negative, a benefit is positive. For example, the new policy was a benefit to the environment. Compare this with the oil spill was a blow to the environment. Another antonym is advantage. This refers to a favorable circumstance or opportunity. For instance, having a strong team is a significant advantage in this competition. This is very different from experiencing a blow. The injury to their star player was a major blow to their chances. We can also use boon as an antonym. A boon is something that is helpful and beneficial. For example, the rainfall was a boon for the farmers. This is the opposite of a blow, such as, the drought was a blow for the farmers. Let's look at success as an antonym. While a blow indicates failure or setback, success indicates achievement. For example, the product launch was a great success. This is the direct opposite of a blow. The product recall was a major blow to the company's reputation. Finally, let's consider progress as an antonym. A blow halts or reverses advancement, while progress represents forward movement. For example, the city is making great progress in reducing pollution. This is in contrast to the factory closure was a blow to the city's efforts to reduce unemployment. So, how can you use blow in everyday life? Well, you might say it would be a blow if I didn't get the job. Or the cancellation of the concert was a blow to the fans. You can also use it in expressions like soften the blow, meaning to make a bad situation less painful. For example, he tried to soften the blow by offering her a refund. Here are some more usage examples. The unexpected cost increase was a significant blow to their project budget. Or, missing the train was a blow to my travel plans. You could also say, her words were a blow to his confidence. Another example is, the economic recession was a blow to many small businesses. Let's not forget, the defeat in the championship game was a tough blow to the team. So, to summarize, blow is a B2 level noun meaning a sudden hit or setback. We explored synonyms like shock, setback, reversal, and disaster, and antonyms like benefit, advantage, boon, success, and progress. We also looked at how blow is used in everyday language and common expressions. I hope you found this episode of Hello Word helpful. Thank you for joining me today. Before we wrap up, I'd love for you to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a challenge. Create your own sentence using the word blow and share it in the comments below the video. I can't wait to read them.